Okay, guys, today we're going to do our last set of equations for this particular section with free fall. The last one that we're going to do is d equals 0.5 gt squared. That is our equation for free fall distance, which I need to edit that and make sure I have the equation in your Google form. The equation for this just ends up being d equals 0.5 gt squared. This should look very similar to one that we've already done, d equals 0.5 a t squared. The only difference is we're using g, which g is just a specific value that we happen to know each and every single time, but this is just a modified version of an equation we've already used. Again, you can just type it in a calculator. It ends up being a fairly simple equation to do. Just need to make sure we're identifying our things correctly. This particular one, a tree branch falls to the ground in 2 seconds. Going through and measuring or identifying what is our given information. They're giving me the fact that it is 2 seconds is the time. It's falling. That means it's accelerating towards the ground at 10 meters per second squared. How high was the branch? It's asking for how high. That's asking for a distance. How long does it take? They're asking for time. How fast? They're asking for a speed or a velocity. I'm going to write down my equation, 0.5 gt squared. D equals 0.5. G, which is 10. And my time, which is 2 and squared. And the nice thing is I can just type this all right in my calculator. 0.5 times 10 times 2 squared equals 20 meters. I'm only entering the numerical value into the form. I am not including any units. So the answer, number 1, was 20. If I take a look here at number 2. A rock falls from a bridge, falls for 6 seconds. Seconds is a measurement of time. It is in the air. That means it is accelerating at 10 meters per second squared. Again, g is always 10 on Earth. How high was the bridge? D equals 0.5 gt squared. I'm going to plug in my values. This time t is 6. One thing I want to make sure that I'm careful about, only the time gets squared. It's not squaring everything. And again, I can just plug this in a calculator. If I don't want to do the parentheses, that just means it's multiplication between those two variables. So 0.5 times 10 times 6 squared equals. And the answer, number 2, is 180 meters. Back over to my form, 180. That's it. Good luck, everyone.